Thank you. This morning, the White House has circulated to the press the Washington Post article stating that the allegations contained in the document was reviewed by the FBI at the time, and I'm quoting, and was found...
When you say the document, are you talking about the document that Jamie Comer is seeking from Ray to have the full access from the committee?
Yeah, this is what's stated, it's stated in the article. And they say, according to the sources familiar with the investigation, it was found to not be supported by the facts. How do you respond to that?
Well, why would the White House then be trying to block the facts from coming out? Because they are. Right now, Jamie Comer is having to threaten a contempt of Congress action because the committee's not able to get access to the documents. And think about what these documents allege. I mean, again, these are allegations. The Committee of Jurisdiction Oversight has the ability to get these documents under law, and the White House and the FBI are trying to block our ability to exercise our legal right to go look at those documents. But they deal with an allegation made by a whistleblower that when he was vice president, Joe Biden may have been involved in a quid pro quo pay-to-play scheme. That's something everybody in the press ought to be looking into as well. Whether it happened or not, when you're blocking the facts from even coming to light, how can you say the facts don't back it up? Because the White House is blocking us from even being able to see the facts. So we've got a legal right to get those documents, and we're going to do it, and that's why the contempt of resolution has been put on the table.
Yeah.
As a member of Intel who has been very involved in FBI oversight, the FBI is not above the law, and congressional committees have oversight of this agency. We have seen again and again on issues their refusal to comply with congressional requests, refusal to even come testify in front of the Hill. That needs to change. We are elected by the American people and are accountable to the American people, not unelected bureaucrats who are abusing their positions of authority. You asked a question about the unmasking. The request is for the document, and you can black out the name in those requests. And it's not just the FBI. We've seen this from the Secretary of State as well. And I want to echo what the leader said in terms of praising Chairman McCall's leadership, Chairman Turner, and Chairman Comer on how they've handled this. But on the whistleblower subject as well, I remember not that long ago when everyone in the press corps was eager to make sure Congress opened an investigation when it came to a whistleblower allegation. And I find it very frustrating that the press now believes that Congress should not even look into a valid whistleblower claim.
Last question.